description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we've got, well, what do I, uh-oh, where'd it go? There it is. We've got this is Samyang Buldak Tteokbokki Carbonara, and yeah, there is going to be a mukbang. What's a mukbang, you ask? Well, I'll tell you. A mukbang is where you make something and then you, and it's spicy, and then you eat it. And that'll be after this that you're watching, this what have you. So, yeah. As you can see, today is February 28th. 2026, and we have engaged the Borg. The strange orange man in his really bright white hat that said USA in his tacky way, he went and decided it was time to start a war. So we are now at war with Iran. No, it's a military conflict. It's a military. It's a large action. It's like, no, dude. You're trying to take out the government of a foreign country. I think that qualifies as war. But we'll see how it goes. Meanwhile, I'm not stoked on it. I think it's a bad idea. But that's generally how I feel about war, and generally it's, you know, I am a pacifist, so I figure, you know, I mean, come on. If you have, you know, if you got a president that's going to get us into a war with Iran, I mean, that can't make diplomacy work. Oh, wait. That's a Trump quote. This president is going to get us into a war with Iran. I didn't mean Iraq, I meant Iran. Iran, he doesn't know how to do diplomacy. He's weak, he can't do it. Guess what? Okay, so this one's kind of crazy, and I'm going to have to keep an eye on it. I'm a little freaked outed. Because you put boiling water in this, and then you microwave it. That sounds like begging for trouble. Okay, it's in the microwave. And how long we got here? 2 minutes and 30 seconds for some carbo wave. So I'll even bring you over here next to the machinery. Okay, so we're going to set it for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. 2:30, and set it to power level 70. Pray for me. Let's see, can we just get you right in on the action? We can. Look at that. Wow, look at the lighting there. Isn't that neat? This is pretty cool. So anyways, focus in on that. But yeah, we're at war with Iran. Kind of knew that was coming, but it's not a good deal. Okay, rotating. I just don't want this thing to frickin' explode. I think there's definitely a good chance of said explosion. We've got 1 minute and 42 seconds to go. I have strong doubts that this is going to end well. Watching the microwave rotate. This is gonna look. I can't wait to see what this looks like on the when I see this after we've done this, because this is very strange. There was a movie. The movie War Games. Speaking of wars, there's I'm really worried. So the movie War Games. Oh God, it's gonna stink up the microwave too. Just watch that lid just explode off of there. I'm doing what it told me to do. But anyways, in a lot of the scenes from that, you can see the actors in front of the they're sitting in front of the computer monitors in that, and you can see the reflection in it. And I'm guessing it was something kind of like, I mean, it looks kind of like this. Uh-oh. We have 17 seconds to go. Are we going to be at nominal? We're at nominal. Full throttle up. Full throttle up. I don't see any O-rings popping. Whoa! Here we go. Well, I think we did okay. I think all is well. I will say that's some piping hot, pipe. And I just hope that the microwave doesn't forevermore smell like Buldak. Let's see what happens here. Also, just know, since it's a mukbang, no, I'm not going to eat a whole bunch of it right now. That will come on later. And I'm not going to add anything, even though normally I would add chashu, a little pepper thread, and a bunch of scallion. But that's not happening at the moment. But I will say, it feels like the Tteokbokki is nice and soft. So let's grab a plate. It's a quick one, but a weird one, wouldn't you say? Yes, you would. And that would be the right thing to say. That's a weird one, Ramen Raider guy. And that's what I would say. You're right. It's a weird one. Foreign wars. Okay, so we're gonna pour this in. And there's really not a lot of tteokbokki in this. I know, there's probably some of you going, it's called tteokbokki, dude. Go with that. Just call it tteokbokki. Ooh, that little glut I don't think worked out so well. That's unsavory. Okay, I'll leave it like that. Yeah, this is going to be such a mess doing this mukbang, I think. Anyways, rotate. We'll see what happens. Coming up next on the channel, like, subscribe, hit up the Patreon, donate, all that good stuff. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.